Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Ordinary wrenches can become part of a unique decor piece. This table looks unusual and immediately attracts attention. This set is hard to miss. Old bathtubs become comfortable chairs and create a unique seating area. Who said a wheelbarrow is only for work? It easily transforms into a designer chair that will become a beautiful addition to your garden. Ordinary horseshoes can be turned into a true art piece. This furniture will last a long time and make your garden truly memorable. An old metal barrel can easily be given a new life. It can be transformed into an original furniture set for a summer house or seating area. Sometimes the best decor comes from old things. A few garden tools can be transformed into a clock you'll want to look at again and again. Sometimes the best ideas are the simplest. A few plastic crates and a wooden tabletop can be transformed into a comfortable table for relaxing. Antique details bring a garden to life. This fountain looks simple, but it instantly becomes the focal point. This bench immediately attracts attention. Horseshoes create an unusual design and transform ordinary furniture into a true art object. A beautiful garden doesn't always require expensive decorations. Sometimes an old sink, a window frame, and your favorite flowers are enough. You don't need expensive materials for original decor. Old enamel bowls and a few flowers create a cozy accent that's hard to miss. Old furniture can last for years. Add a tabletop and you'll have a unique garden table.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.